Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we take a closer look at a legendary American classic reborn for the modern era, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100. Chevy brings back this iconic pickup with a perfect mix of heritage design and next-generation technology. From the outside, the 2026 3100 carries the timeless charm of the original, featuring rounded fenders, a bold retro grille, and a muscular stance that instantly stands out. But beneath the classic lines lies a fully modern reinterpretation built for today's roads. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers advanced engine options engineered for strong performance, smooth power delivery, and improved efficiency. Whether you're using it as a workhorse or a weekend cruiser, the 3100 feels capable, confident, and ready for anything. Inside, the cabin blends vintage inspiration with contemporary comfort. You get upgraded materials, digital displays, modern connectivity, and all the safety features expected in a 2026 vehicle. It preserves the old-school feel while adding the convenience of new technology. With its nostalgic design, refined driving dynamics, and modern upgrades, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is a bold tribute to one of America's most beloved trucks, bringing the past and future together in a powerful way. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more automotive legends and modern masterpieces.